Hey guys, and welcome back to Maximo application suite. Let's create a new asset in this video. Okay, this is our asset application under asset module. This is the existing asset in the application. Okay, sample of existing asset. Okay, we will create a new one to see how it's created. In Maximo application suite, there is a lot of adding values to this asset application, and also the UI tool application and flexibility of this of Maximo application suite, and also great UI. Okay, application suite is a massive application. Okay, it's a great tool. So okay, let's create a new asset. We call it MCC. Motor control center. We select our type. We have a lot of type. We could increase these types. It's a domain value. It's search for motor, nothing for motor. Okay, let's select anyone. Say class or something like that. You could associate a parent, a calendar, shift, priority. Okay, default shift for this asset. They should work day, night, whatever. We would select here. Calendar also is important to manage resources. We could associate also default failure class to this asset. Okay. Say it's a magic application suite is a magic. A lot of consideration you should take when you create your asset, when you gather your data. You could associate spare part to this asset. Important tab. Very important. Spare part related to your asset. Let's see if there is something related to this motor. It will be good to see your item availability, quantity. Okay, issue items you could see. This is our availability. Okay, you could associate safety plan, meters, specifications. If you have any work order, should appear here, or any ticket. Okay, this is our select action. Let's associate this asset with allocation. Okay, this asset could have also parent. Department is also important. To filter your data, you could add budget to your asset, select a vendor of this asset. All this data will help you very well to specify your asset well. You could also select your company, the company associated with asset. Okay, purchase price, you could associate it. Replacement cost, this is estimated value. You could also add budget to this asset. is year to date cost, total cost of this asset during specific period. Okay, let's save it.